Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to find stocks on Moomoo. If you're new to the app or just need a quick refresher on how to navigate it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open the Moomoo app. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will bring up the home screen, which serves as your main hub for navigating the app. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll see a range of options there. Tap on Markets. This section provides an overview of various stock markets, giving you a broad view of what's happening globally. It's a great place to start if you're interested in exploring different markets or just want to keep an eye on the latest trends. Now, let's get into the specifics of finding a particular stock. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll notice a search icon. Tap on this icon. This feature is your gateway to finding any stock you're interested in, whether you're looking for something specific or just browsing. In the search field that appears, you can type in the name of the stock or its ticker symbol. The ticker symbol is a unique series of letters that represents a particular stock on the exchange. It's often quicker to search by ticker symbol if you know it, but typing out the full name works just as well. As you type, you'll see a list of results appear. These results will start to populate as soon as you enter a few characters, making it easy to quickly find what you're looking for. Once you see the stock you're interested in, simply select it from the list. And there you have it. You've successfully found the stock you're interested in. You'll now be able to view the stock details, which include essential information such as the current price, historical performance, and other key metrics. This is crucial for making informed decisions about your trades. If you're considering trading, this is where you'll start. Explore the details, analyze the data, and decide your next move. Remember, the more informed you are, the better your trading decisions will be. With these simple steps, you can navigate Moomoo with confidence, finding any stock you need with ease. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to explore the app's help section or reach out for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy trading.